Hello everybody. Today I'm going to demo this battery-powered Ryobi finish nailer. The reason I got this, or had the idea of getting this, is because I'm at some of my sites, especially this one, I'm working on battery power. My air compressor just takes up too much juice, so I thought it would be good to try this out, and so far it's been working good. So before we get started on trying this out, I just wanted to compare it to my other nailer and show you like the difference. So that these two nailers will shoot the same exact 18 gauge 2-inch brad nails, but as you can see, the battery powered one is a lot more bulky and a lot heavier. And this one is lightweight and easy to use, except for you're gonna have to carry an air hose with you all the time. So that's one thing I like about this. Even though it's heavier, I can take this to any site, and I don't have to have any power or anything. And this battery, which is a little bit oversized, and it's not even, I'll show you this. I'll give you the link to this battery if you want to order one, but it's not even a Ryobi brand. But the reason I had to get this, well, I didn't have to get this. The reason I purchased this is it's about half the price of a Ryobi one, and I didn't even know if I needed one because I have two of these older, smaller batteries, and when I bought the tool only, I didn't buy it with the battery come with it, because I already had 2 or 3 of these batteries here, and they work fine with my other tools. But when I went to try this out with my old battery, whether it be this is just too small or it's just too old, it did not. About a third of the time it would work, and the other 2/3 of the time it wouldn't shoot the nail all the way in. It would only shoot the nail in, all but. It would leave that much of the nail sticking out. It didn't have enough power. So I just ordered this battery and have not had a problem since. So the batteries I was trying are that I didn't get to work are these 1.3 amp batteries, and they're a couple years old, so that's probably why. So this off-brand battery is, I don't know, is that 6 amp hours? 6,000 milliamp hours, so I'm guessing that's 6 amp hours. Well, 108 watt hours versus 24 watt hours. Anyway, for sure these batteries work good. I've had good luck with it. But this battery still works on my drill and I have this saw here. So this battery still runs that saw just fine. And it'll cut wood. It'll cut wood just fine. But it won't work. It won't power this. It won't give this enough power. So let's go ahead and give it a try, see what happens. So right now I'm casing the windows with this boards that I pre-cut and painted. And there's an adjustment right here, and I got it almost all the way, well, yeah, pretty much all the way up. And there's a power adjustment there, and then there's a depth right here. This is the twist that to go deeper, and that just adjusts the the safety button will make it go. That's the only two adjustments on it that I know about. And little button here will pre-charge it and give you the light, and then that'll fire this has to be depressed here, and then it'll fire a nail. So you can see that it's firing the nail, and it's firing the nail down and getting it plenty deep enough. And that's that one that hits a knot or something, because it bounced back. So I don't know if you see that, but that probably would have happened on my air nailer also, because you can see there is a knot there that I just didn't notice. Just set it in like that. It's plenty fast and it's pretty powerful. I don't even have it quite turned up all the way, but, and we're shooting, let's see, we're shooting these nails. You can see that. 1 3/4, 18 gauge. But I do have 2-inch nails, and it works the same way. It'll shoot the same. They're just a little bit shorter than 2-inch. Okay, now we have the side pieces. Okay, that one probably goes here. Okay, next. Okay, so it could be just because this battery, well, I don't think so though. I'll switch it. Even with no battery at all, it's still probably double the weight of this thing. So I can see maybe you'd have some fatigue if you used this for, you know, like all day. But I have no doubt that this big old battery would last all day, because I've never gotten it. It's still, I mean, I've used it quite a bit and it's still fully charged. So I'll bet you this battery would shoot more than 500 nails, I'm guessing. So anyway, we've got that. Now we're going to the next window. And then we'll put, I probably won't do it on this video, but I'll take this trim and cut it and trim around that window that we just did. But our next window to put the casing in is here. There we go. So I shot into another knot. So this is all scrap wood that I'm using for the casing, as you can see. But still gonna work just fine for this. Oh, that'll be covered up by the trim. I don't know if you saw that, but I kind of took a little piece of the, didn't really poke clear out though, but hit something hard there and it bent the nail out. The trim will cover that up, so not a problem. So the side pieces. That's done. Okay, we're out of nails. So I got some nails that are a little bit longer. I can try putting those in and showing you. I don't know if they're quite 2-inch, but they're longer than 1 3/4 inches. Just load them up before that. Let's see, you can see they are a little bit longer. I don't know if you can see that or not. And they work fine. We can turn. They shoot them in just fine. When it runs out of nails, it doesn't try to fire one. It won't let you pull the trigger. So that's nice. You don't have to sit there and wonder if you got a nail. I'm probably in the way of that, sorry. This was some sort of a door trim at one time. You can see that. It's got door hinge cutouts, but I'm just putting that to the back side underneath. All right, I forgot to say that there's also a brushless version of this, and I think it's like $20 more. I didn't know how I was going to like this, so I just bought the cheaper one. But I would imagine the other one is more efficient, and also I'm pretty sure it claims to be more powerful, but so far this is plenty powerful for me. So I'm happy with it. Okay, I didn't put a full clip of nails in there, but I'm out of nails again. So you see me last time. Oh, so it doesn't go all the way to the end of the. Still got that many. 5 nails left. It didn't want to shoot them. But you see me. I put 2 different size nails in the clip, and it worked just fine. It didn't jam or anything. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'm noticing there's a big knot right here, so I'm going to try to avoid that. If I can. Okay. Okay. Also, another thought. We probably shot, what do you think, 100 nails? Maybe? Maybe not quite 100 nails, but I've still got a full battery according to this gauge. Still got 4 bars. So I'll leave a link on this battery. Seems like a good battery. I don't even know what brand it is, but it's a knockoff. But it works. At least it works for me. All right, everybody, I'm going to stop the video there. I do really like this nail gun. It is a little bulky if you're comparing it to one like this. This is a Hitachi NT50AE2S brad nailer. And if you're wondering, this is a really good nailer. I have not had any problems with this thing. Never jams. And it's really not, it's a really nice gun. But for small jobs and stuff where you don't want to drag out the air compressor, or you don't have electricity, or you don't want to haul a generator around, and that's why I got this thing. And I'd say it fits the bill perfectly for that. And I'm really happy that I got it. It has it's an electric motor, but it still produces air. It's still an air pressure piston in here, from what I understand. And I think it's a really cool design. Like I say, it's heavy, but it functions really well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you on the next one. Oh, if you want to see how the windows are, how I did a full window, I do have a video on that. It's one of my last videos that I did. So go watch that if you're curious. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. See you on the next one.